Okay, this is the website I've created. I gotta say, I actually enjoyed doing this. I'm not sure how well I did it, but I did enjoy doing it. On my first page about me, obviously got my name and the university and my major. Excuse me, excuse me. And I put the University of Memphis up here in the corner since I am going to school here. And scroll down here, I've got the about me, I've got my name. Again, got the University of Memphis Sports and Leisure Management. Future law student at Cecil C. Humphrey School of Law, which I'm hoping to do when I complete my bachelor's degree, which should be pretty soon. I also put my birth date on there. I didn't know if that should be a good idea or not, but I did do that. And got the link here for the contact. You click on that, see, it's got that. So that's working well as far as that goes. And I have the links here to my Facebook. It's a little slow, but that's my Facebook page. That's my kids' pictures there, and then my Facebook stuff. I've also got a link to my Twitter, which I very rarely tweet, but I do have this linked on there. Then got the Instagram, which I very rarely do as well. So you can see I've only got 14 followers and 83 following me. Or I'm following 83, I should say. Got my LinkedIn on here. I actually really probably need to update my LinkedIn. It's been a while since I've done that. And got the link to my email there. So got all that done. I'm not sure exactly how much information you wanted here on the About Me section. Um, I'm certainly open to any suggestions you have as far as what else I could do, as far as what I could add there, or if I need to take away, or perhaps if I maybe need to change some pictures here. I don't know if you should want me to put any pictures of like me and my family up here. I didn't think that would be a good idea for that, but that's the first page. Then I got the professional profile here. I have currently majoring in sports and leisure management. I've got the first button here, which is the sport and leisure management overview, which takes you here, which gives you anybody who might be interested a little bit of information about the sport and leisure management program. And then for anyone else who might be interested in exactly what we study in the sports and leisure management, I put a link here to all of the class descriptions, which I thought might be good for anyone who is looking to find out more about what we've learned. So I got those, and then down here for my employment, once again, I wasn't sure exactly, since I had the resume linked here, which I'll describe in a minute, or which I'll click on in a minute. I wasn't sure exactly how much I should put here. The majority of my my career has been with Walmart and Walgreens as in management, and so that's just put, I put more than 20 years of management experience in a retail setting with Walmart and Walgreens, because that's been the vast majority of my work experience over the last 25 years. And then I put a link to Walgreens here, and link to Walmart there. And then the button for the resume, which I've tried to keep an updated resume for many years now. Click on it and it downloaded. I'll go here and it comes up in Word, and there it is. Probably needs to be updated as well. I didn't really, and it needs to have a few little tweaks, minor tweaks done to it. But because every time it seems like every time I do it or tweak it, something kind of sort of gets out of whack with it in another area, like this area right here. I need to get that fixed, and I need to include the now that I'm going to the University of Memphis, I need to include that as well. I've got Columbia Southern University, the school that I went to previously there. And that's all for the professional profile page. Interests and affiliations. Um, my major interests through the majority of my life have been sports and music and politics. That's pretty much the story of my life. So I put and I've done a lot of research, and I'm pretty well versed, pretty well knowledge. Have a lot of knowledge in basketball, football, baseball, music, and politics. So I consider myself a historian in those areas. That might be stretching it a little bit, but I mean, I think it's a good idea to put that on there to let people know that you do know a lot, and I can take that off if I need to. Um, I love reading nonfiction books. I love history. I love reading about political figures, historical figures, entertainment figures, you name it. I enjoy spending time with my kids. I got two small kids, ages 8 and 6. I am a pharmacy technician. When I worked at Walgreens, became a board certified pharmacy technician, CPHT, and I'm a member of the Tennessee Pharmacists Association, which encompasses pharmacists and pharmacy technicians. And I put that I'm a future law school hopeful with plans of becoming a sports agent. And I added a YouTube video of the University of Memphis Cecil C. Humphrey School of Law top 10 points of excellence. And also I added a video of working as a pharmacy technician so people could see a little bit of my background as far as that goes. Finally, for the contact page, kept it pretty simple. I kept this area here for the name and email address of anybody that would like to contact me. I also put my name and address and phone number here. And made the map here showing my mailing address, which is actually, I use a post office as a mailing address, but the 8255 Macon Road, number 2812 is the post office here in Cordova. So that's where I receive all my mail. So that's pretty much it. Like I said, this was really probably pretty rudimentary compared to what a lot of other people will do. I'm more than open to any suggestions that you have on how to improve it, and I look forward to hearing your feedback and using your feedback as I make corrections for when I turn this in again on October the 4th. Thank you.